Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Now I will do BISDA panel for initializing the filter by using the software of this in the laptop. Because we don't have LCD, so we use laptop to clear the filter fault. So this area we connect the port going to laptop using this BISDA PC link. So I connect this one here. So make sure this one is a proper connection. And then connect also this one. Connect this one later, so you can use USB port to laptop. Put in this one, port 3. Open this up, BEC. Okay, go to connection, manage, then click. This is COM5 now, this one. Okay, that is the settings na connection again, then connect BISDA net COM5, add, then BISDA net, then next, then setting COM5, then next, then finish, then yes, close, then connection, then connect and view. Then I will change this one, change to BISDA net COM5. Okay, now connected. Okay guys, by that one. Then we connect this one, double click, then now this is the display. Then this one, blue color is the disable, so you need to enable. So you need to enter the password, administrator username, then password 1413. Okay, then enable now. The trouble is coming, this one. Then the fault is filter replace not acknowledge, minor fault bulb open. So 3 faults. So click here, then you go device, then select filter insertion, current filter restricted. Okay, then after that device again, then normalize airflow. Normalize airflow. Then now showing normalizing airflow. Then this one, the graphics is running. This one costs 11 minutes, guys. Just wait for 11 minutes. And then they're coming here, normalization. Now it's normalizing. Then after finish, normalization. Then also you can see the panel is blinking now. The network is connected, system, filter, airflow, like that. Okay. Okay guys, now done normalizing. So we will put again this one. We put again here filter insertion. So you put new filter because new clean. Then click OK. So all faults gone. So now fault clear. You can see here this done now is healthy, clear, no anything fault. Soon filter and then. So that's all. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.